If you have short animals like I do, and they want to get up and down on your bed, these pet steps are an absolute must-have in your house. These don't just work on your bed. You can put these in front of your couch or whatever kind of furniture you have that your animals are constantly getting up and down. And this will help relieve back and leg issues in the event that they might get those in the future. We have dachshunds, we have cats too. Cats don't really count, but our cats use the steps as well. Go on, use the steps, come on. All right, good job, buddy, there you go. Anyway, it's hard to get cats to do things on command. The stairs have a really nice carpet feature to them. They feel soft, easy to get up and down, no slipping because the animal is able to grab onto these. Best part about this is you're able to unfold them and put it away for storage. When you want to put them back up, click into place and you're ready to go. Come on, show everybody how you use your stairs. Come on. Oh, good job. You're okay, use your stairs. Our animals sleep in our bed, our dachshunds especially, so if they're going up and down the stairs, it is relieving pressure from their back, possible injury, things that we don't want. I don't want to spend money at a doctor or for doctor visits, so the money spent on these stairs is 100% worth it. Come here, use your stairs, come on. Good job. There, it's that easy. Like I said, you want to protect your animals, especially when they're jumping up and down off of furniture. Get these stairs. You will not regret it. Come on, baby, use your stairs. Absolutely worth it.